Chiharu Ichō Chiharu, born October 6, 1981 in Hachinohe, Aomori, is a Japanese wrestler who competed in the 48 kg weight class at the 2004 and 2008 Summer Olympics, winning the silver medal at both games. Her younger sister Kaori is also a wrestler who competed in the 63 kg weight class at the 2004, 2008, 2012 Summer Olympics and 2016 Summer Olympics, winning the gold medal on 4 occasions. Chiharu has won the Asian Championship twice and the World Championships 3 times.